Hi, my name is Monatot and I am so excited about being one of Scrapbook.com's holiday gift guide ambassadors. Christmas is coming and to make Christmas lists is never too early, right? In this holiday gift guide, you will find the most useful crafting supplies. The digital version of this guide is in the description box below. Feel free to make your wish list and don't forget to show it to your friends and family. Today I am going to show you a few tips with the Tim Holtz Glass Media Mat, and you will see why I think that this is a must-have thing. In today's video, I will show how you can make this easy card and how can you save your ink from the glass mat for your next project. I will also tell you what freebies and sales are coming. But first, let me show you why I love this mat. This crafting space works great at your kitchen table, in your craft room, and even outside on the garden table. Finally, a space to create on wherever you are. Its size is 23 by 14 inches and you can find on it a wide 7.5 by 11 inches mixing palette area, which is perfect for mixing colors or watercoloring. You can use this mat for any ink, paint, glue, and other mediums because it's super easy to clean. Even the alcohol inks. You just don't forget to clean up the surface immediately after your crafting process because it can stain your mat. Because this glass media mat is perfect for ink blending and I am a huge fan of Distress Oxide inks, I am going to make an easy ink blending on a Neenah Solar White card front with domed blending tools. First I am using the Wilted Violet, then the Picked Raspberry, and finally the Squeezed Lemonade. Once I am done, I can clean my surface or use the leftover ink for another card. All I need to do is just spray on the ink with water and dip the cardstock to the leftover ink on the glass media mat. If you feel that you need more color, then just stamp with your ink pad to the surface, spray it again, and dip your cardstock until you like the final result. Back to my card. I wanted to add a little sparkle, so I stamped through the dotted stencil with premium clear ink, then heat embossed with gold tinsel embossing powder. Next, I stamped the Joy to the World sentiment from the Big and Bold Christmas stamp set. I masked the stamp and stamped them separately with my Misty. When it was done, I fussy cut the bold letters. If you follow me, you know that there have to be some cuteness on my card. This time I have used some Lanfan products like this cute sheep instead the bold O letter. I also used this beautiful scallop frame from Lanfan. I stamped and colored the images off camera to save a little time. Finally I put my card together and I added the images with 3D adhesive foam squares. In the end, I decided to cut from the blended background and now I have a nice white frame. As always, you can find all my used supplies in the description box below. It's worth to follow Scrapbook.com because big sales are coming. The first is pre-Black Friday sale on November 19th through 25th. The next is the Black Friday sale between November 26th and 30th. The final is the 12 days of Christmas, which is from the 1st until the 12th of December. Be sure to check Scrapbook.com's page every day for freebies and amazing deals. Psst! Trust me, you don't want to miss it. As I mentioned, I am in love with this mat. I had this product on my wishlist for years and I am extremely happy that I finally own it. It's available in a left-handed version too, as well as in a smaller traveler media mat size. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy shopping. See you next time. Bye. I love to interact with other paper crafters, so leave me a comment what crafty things are on your wish list for this year.